What's up everybody, it's Jamal and let's be real. You're watching this because you're thinking about making a move to Dubai. Dubai is attracting people from all over the world, drawn in by the incredible lifestyle, the tax-free salaries, and the chance to be a part of something truly global. But here's the thing, actually landing a job in Dubai? That's a whole different ball game. You can't just hop off the plane and expect a six-figure salary to magically fall into your lap. That's why I'm breaking down this entire process into 10 actionable steps, kinda like I did in my video on how to buy your first rental property. But this time, we're conquering the Dubai job market. Let's get started. Before you even think about updating your CV, you need to understand what you're getting yourself into. The Dubai job market is like its skyline, constantly evolving and fiercely competitive. Don't just apply to any random job you see. Spend some serious time on job portals like Bait, Indeed, and LinkedIn, and really analyze those job descriptions. Look, your CV is not a one-size-fits-all document. Dubai employers, they're picky. They want to see that you've taken the time to understand the market, and that your skills and experience are a perfect match for their needs. Invest in a clean, professional design that highlights your unique strengths. Use numbers to back up your claims and make your CV impossible to ignore. This is Dubai. We like things measurable. Listen, I'll be straight up with you. Networking in Dubai is not optional, it's essential. This city thrives on connections. Attend industry events, conferences, even workshops. Put yourself out there. Dubai is full of these kinds of events and they're gold mines for meeting people in your field. And don't underestimate the power of LinkedIn. Connect with recruiters, hiring managers, even people who are currently in the roles you aspire to have. Remember, your network is your net worth, especially in this city. While networking is huge in Dubai, don't discount the power of online job boards. Sites like Bait, Gulf Talent, and Nakra Gulf are like the Craigslist of the Middle East. They're where a ton of companies post their open positions. You gotta be on top of it, treating your job search like a full-time job itself. Set up job alerts with specific keywords that match your skills and experience. That way, you'll get notified the second a relevant opportunity pops up. Trust me, in a fast-paced market like Dubai, you don't want to be late to the party. That specialize in your industry. Look, I know it's tempting to blast out your CV to every job posting you see, especially when you're feeling the pressure of the job search. But here's the truth, generic applications are like spam emails, they go straight to the trash folder. In Dubai, where competition is fierce, you need to treat each application like a sales pitch. Remember, it's not about blending in, it's about standing out. Congrats, you've landed an interview, but don't celebrate just yet. The interview process in Dubai is notoriously tough. Employers here want to see that you're not just qualified on paper, but that you can handle the fast-paced, multicultural work environment. So, how do you prepare? First, research the company like your life depends on it. Read their website, their LinkedIn profiles, recent news articles, anything you can get your hands on. Remember, confidence is key in any interview, but especially in Dubai. Here's the thing about working in Dubai, you're going to need a visa. Most employers in Dubai are more than happy to sponsor their employees for a work visa. In fact, it's pretty standard practice. But, and this is important, you should never ever pay for your own visa up front. Any employer who asks you to do that is likely running a scam. Legitimate companies will handle the entire visa process for you. Let's be real, Dubai's booming economy attracts its fair share of scammers. So how can you protect yourself? First off, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of job offers with ridiculously high salaries, little to no experience required, and promises of quick visa processing. Always do your research. Verify the company's legitimacy on the Dubai Chamber of Commerce website, check online reviews, and look for any inconsistencies in their online presence. Finding a job in Dubai takes time. But here's the thing, don't let that discourage you. Dubai rewards persistence. Keep refining your CV, networking like crazy, and applying for jobs that genuinely excite you. Remember, the right opportunity is out there. Stay positive, trust the process, and don't give up on your Dubai dream. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to conquering the Dubai job market. Remember, Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, a hub for innovation, and a city that truly rewards hard work and ambition. If you follow these steps, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams, you'll be well on your way to launching an incredible career in this dynamic city. And hey, once you've landed that dream job and you're living the Dubai life, don't forget to come back and share your success story in the comments below. For more tips on navigating the Dubai lifestyle, from finding an apartment to investing in real estate, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time.